Sometimes it's kind of cool to speak to a live person, not a robot, when you want to talk about your taxes, right? So stick around. I'm going to show you the 10 best free tax assistance places where you can get help from a real live person. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How you doing today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous if you were to ask me. And if you are doing as superb as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. Today I want to have a conversation about the best free tax assistance places where you can get help from a real live person. But before we get into the nitty-gritty here, please just check out this short element about how we go about evaluating tax software, tools, tax places, tax assistant institutions. Check this out. All right, so number 10, and we scored this 8 over 10. This is the TCE, the Tax Counseling for the Elderly. This is a program of volunteers that also operate under the IRS umbrella, and they are normally located at community centers like libraries and schools. So if you're looking for tax help from a live person, you want to contact your local library or your local elder's office. How does it work? You search through the IRS to find a program in your area. So services are available to people of all ages. Even though it's called a tax counseling for the elderly, it is available to everybody. What they do is they periodically focus on those over 60 and those who have to navigate retirement or pension-related issues. All right. Now, where do you find that? You just go to the IRS website, www.irs, and you just perform a search. Then you can find a volunteer center in your local community to get help in person. This program has operated. They've been around for a while now, folks. They have been around for more than half a century, and they offer free tax help to people who generally make $56,000 or less, persons with disabilities, and limited English-speaking taxpayers. Number 9, we have the AARP Foundation, and we have scored this organization 8 over 10. Now, the AARP Foundation offers free tax assistance to members who qualify. The program operates through an IRS-approved group of volunteers who AARP can help you easily connect with. So what you have to do here is you have to go through AARP to find a volunteer in your area. So you go to aarp.org, and the AARP staff can help you fill out your return and submit it to the IRS. So all you have to do is that you have to find a volunteer in your area. You go to the AARP website, or you can contact your local AARP office directly. The thing here is that similar to the TCE, you don't have to be a senior. You don't have to be a senior to benefit from AARP Foundation's help. You just have to contact them, explain your situation to them, and they will see if you qualify for it based on their criteria, and then they will just connect you with a CPA, with a volunteer expert, whether it is a CPA, a certified public accountant, or an EA, an enrolled agent. So number 8, there is a service called Taxpayer Advocate Service. And this service operates under the aegis of the IRS. So you got to go to www.taxpayeradvocate.irs.gov. So and we have scored this service 8.5 over 10. The IRS Taxpayer Advocate Service is there to help individuals with tax-related issues. They will not file your form for you though, but they can help you with specific questions on issues with your forms. And the organization's website offers plenty of resources and answers to questions. So, and if you don't see what you're looking for, you can contact the agency directly. Again, the website, the link here is www.taxpayeradvocate.irs.gov. Taxpayers without the S, this is singular, right? So this is, and you can also reach out to the agency, to the IRS directly to find out more. Number 7, TurboTax. Yes, TurboTax. So the link here is www.turbotax.intuit.com. Intuit, you spell it INTUIT.com. We scored this service 8.5 over 10. Now, as you all know, TurboTax is a popular tax filing software that is also available on the internet. There are both free and paid versions to help you prepare your return. Then a real CPA reviews your return for free. How does it work? You simply walk through the process of filling out your own return and submit it. Then a certified public accountant automatically reviews it to make sure you're not missing anything. And how do you start? You go to TurboTax's website to find the tax filing solution that works best for you. Then it will walk you through the process of filling out your form. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We're also having a conversation today around the 10 best free tax assistance places where you get help from a real live person. Number 6, 9 over 10. This is our score. We have the VITA, the IRS VITA program. VITA stands for VITA. VITA stands for Volunteer Income Tax Assistance. So this program, the VITA program, is available to individuals who meet income requirements. So it consists of volunteer tax professionals throughout the country who offer their services under the IRS umbrella. Again, the IRS is sort of coordinating everything here. And how does it work? So you go through the IRS to find a volunteer. Then you work with them to get help preparing and even filing your taxes. And where do you find VITA volunteers? You can simply enter your location on the IRS website to find a volunteer near you. So you got to go to irs.gov/individuals/IRS-tax-volunteers. We'll put the link on the screen so you can see it. Again, it is irs.gov/individuals/IRS-tax-volunteers. Number 5. You have the IRS Free File Alliance, and we are scoring this service 9 over 10. Great service, great service. And the website is freefilealliance.org. Again, it's freefilealliance.org. This is a service that is open to all Americans who meet low income requirements, which change from year to year. So in 2020, you need to have an adjusted gross income of $70,000 or less. Basically, this is just a group of companies that offer free online under the IRS banner. And how does it work? You need to go through the Free File website to access the company's platform. You can then search for tax filers who submit their offers to help. And you have to start at the IRS Free File website, and then you'll be able to browse through offers and go directly to the Tax Pros website to finish the process. So you can also reach out to the IRS directly for specific questions, right? That's if you want specifics. You can call 1-800-829-1040 for individual tax questions, or 1-800-829-4933 for business-related tax questions. Number 4, the NATP. We are scoring this service 9.5 over 10. Great service, great service. And their website is www.natptax.com. That's natptax.com. Now, And the NATP stands for the National Association of Tax Professionals. This is a comprehensive membership site for accountants and other kinds of tax preparers, including the IRS enrolled agents. So this is just a fantastic place to find out who the professionals are in your area, since many accountants offer an initial free consultation, right? So how does it work? So the organization's website includes a feature that lets you find tax professionals near you. You might have to do some research with this one because not everyone will necessarily provide a free consultation, but you may be able to get some valuable advice, right? And the idea here is to talk to a live person, a real person, right? So if you are willing to pay a filing fee, chances are they might be able to help you and give you free advice. And so start with the NATP's website and then move on onto the information about your local tax professionals. And again, the website is www.natptax.com. Number 3, United Way Tax Service. We have scored this organization 9.5 over 10. Great organization. And the website is unitedway.org. Unitedway.org in one word. So United Way is a nonprofit organization that offers free tax help and filing in many communities around the country. And every local office is different, so you'll need to find your local branch to find a tax professional who can help. In many cases, they'll offer guidance and help you actually file as well. So where do you find this? You want to start by locating the United Way branch closest to you. You can either do this on the internet by going to their website, www.unitedway.org, or you can call 211. Number 2, Human Services Agencies. And we have scored this service 10 over 10. This is an agency, this is a service by the United States government. So human services agencies in different municipalities and locations will offer free tax help from real people for those who meet various income requirements. So not only can they give you free advice, but they may also be able to steer you towards different tax credits. And what you want to do is you want to start by finding your local human services agency on the internet. All right, then you can contact them or make an appointment to discuss any family or personal tax credits that make a difference to your return. And the thing here is that every local service agency has different offerings. So you want to go to www.hhs.gov. We're putting the link on the screen right now. This is www.hhs.gov, and you will be able to find a local agency or local branch where you can have a volunteer ready to help you. And number 1, in our view, the best tax-free assistance place where you can get help from a real live person is H&R Block. And we have given H&R Block a score of 10 over 10. Obviously, H&R Block has various tax tools and resources available on their website. There is also a tax preparation tool that walks you through the steps with live experts standing by to help you over the phone. And how does it work? You will just want to visit H&R Block's website to find the tax filing tool that is relevant to your business, and or either to your business or to your personal tax return. So actually, filing your return does come with a cost though, unless you have a very simple return and not a complicated tax situation. So once you pay, help from a tax prep expert is included for free. So once you pay the $49 or the $49 for the tax filing fee, the expert advice is included for free. You simply need to request a chat or call as you work on your return to get your questions asked. And how do you find that? You just go to the H&R Block's website. The company also has brick and mortar locations around the country, but you'll likely need to pay for an appointment, and you don't want that. We're trying to save money here, so it's just better to do everything through the website. One thing I also want to talk about here, and this is other relevant information and the overview here. You also, and this is a bonus info, folks, small businesses can find free tax help on the IRS website. And there are several ways to get that. So if you want to learn about tax laws in a very simple and non-convoluted way, it's better to go through the IRS own website, and they have there a variety of tools that can guide you as a business person or self-employed. So the IRS video portal, so you can learn about tax topics through video and audio presentations on the IRS video portal. This portal contains archived video of live panel discussions and audio from national phone forums, as well as other webinars and video clips. You also have IRS Audits video series. It's entitled Your Guide to an IRS Audit. This takes the viewer through the steps of an audit from notification to closing. And the video series is composed of scenarios that demonstrate the stages of each type of audit: correspondence, office, and field. So the scenarios address issues that are common to audits of small businesses. You also have another resource that we loved a lot. We tested it. You have the virtual small business tax workshop. This is an interactive resource to help small business owners learn about their federal tax rights and responsibilities. The workshop contains 9 standalone lessons that can be selected and viewed in any sequence. So the workshop is available online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week from any computer. It can also be ordered on CD. And then you have the tax calendar for small business taxpayers. This is another great resource. This is embedded in publication 1518. It is available on the internet or as a printable PDF file. So this 12-month calendar is filled with information on general business taxes, IRS and Social Security Administration customer assistance, electronic filing and paying options, retirement plans, business publications and forms, and common tax filing dates. And the great thing here is that each page highlights different tax issues and tips that may be relevant to small business owners, with room on each month to add notes, state tax dates, or business appointments. You can also download the tax events into your calendar or subscribe to the tax calendar events. And so the calendar provides the small business owner with a ready resource for meeting their tax obligations. And another resource we loved a lot is that you can also select a business structure. So this is more of a legal and tax document here, but it also helps you if you are a startup. If you have a new business and you're just trying to find out more information, that's pretty cool resource. The final resource that we have found here on the IRS website is the Tax Guide for Small Business, publication 334. And this is available on the IRS website. And the thing here is that this is great because in a very simple, everyday language, this guide provides answers to almost all tax questions a business owner will ask. So in general, many tax questions regarding income tax and payroll taxes can be answered at the IRS Small Business and Self-Employed Tax Center, right? So remember the address of the official IRS website, www.irs.gov. And of course, here I'm just giving you extra resources here. You're not going to get help from a real live person, but that's just more a bonus information if you're interested to learn more. All right, folks, this is it for today, and I just want to quickly recap here. So the 10 best free tax assistance places where you can get help from a real live person include: number 1, H&R Block, 10/10. Number 2, Human Services Agencies, 10/10. Actually 10/10, not 10/2. Number 3, United Way Tax Service, score 9.5/10. Number 4, NATP, 9.5/10. Number 5, the IRS Free File Alliance, 9/10. Number 6, VITA, 9/10. Number 7, TurboTax, 8.5/10. Number 8, Taxpayer Advocate Service, the TSA, the TAS rather, 8.5/10. Number 9, the AARP Foundation, 8/10. And number 10, TCE, Tax Counseling for the Elderly. We gave it a score of 8/10. Thank you so much for today's conversation. I really appreciate it. I will see you next time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.